Good afternoon, Rajlakshmi Sharma. Good afternoon, Chaitanya Myers. Good afternoon, Anurag Tripathi. Good afternoon, Santosh. Good afternoon, Pushpam Shah. Good afternoon, Samriddhi Soni. So, good afternoon to all of you. Good afternoon, Rohini Pai Shalvi Bhatkar. So, welcome to science class. Now, today you know that we already started revision. So, revision, grade 7, grade 6. Light, shadows, and reflection. Today we will revise this lesson and reflection. First of all, depending on the light passes to the object, you know that the objects they are classified into three. What are they? Depending on the light passing through it. For example, I have wooden plate, I have this protector made up of plastic, I have this glass windows to see through it. Depending on that, what are the three different objects? Depending on the light passing through it, objects are classified into three. What are they? Yes, what are they depending on the light passing through it? Very good. First answer is given by Elise. Very nice. Opaque, translucent, and transparent object. Very good, Shardul. Shardul also gave correct answer. Transparent, translucent, and opaque object. And very good. Okay. So Shardul and Elise both are the first to give correct answer. That is opaque, translucent, and transparent object. Okay. Okay, then first we will see about opaque object. Opaque object, give example. Give example of opaque object. Yes, give example of opaque object. Example of opaque object. Example of opaque object. Example of opaque object here, Jani Bhenar gave correct answer. Shardul Bhatkar gave correct answer. Venkatesh Deshmukh, good afternoon beta. Jani gave correct answer. Anurag gave correct answer. Chaitanya Bias gave wrong answer. Santosh gave correct answer. Shardul gave correct answer. Elisa gave correct answer. So, for example, wood, cardboard, all these are opaque object. For example, this is opaque object. Wood is opaque object. You told very correct. Some of you have written. If I want to see through this wood, I can't see it because light cannot pass through it. Okay. So that is very correct answer. Then use an example for translucent. Translucent object. Give some example of translucent object. Yes. Give some example of translucent object. Butter paper. Elias has given very correct answer. Santosh has given very correct answer. Plastic. Very good beta. Other. Very good wax paper. Very good. Very good. Then wax paper, butter paper, plastic, frosted glass, ground glass, all these are our blood, skin, all these are the translucent object. Okay, oil paper, butter paper, wax paper. So wax paper, then frosted glass. All these are example of translucent object. For example, plastic also. Now this protector, it is made up of plastic. I want to see through it. I can't see clearly. I see hazy because it allows only part of the light to pass through it. So it is translucent object. Then here is an example of transparent object. Transparent object. Give some example of transparent object. Give some example of transparent object. Give some example of transparent object. Very good. Santosh gave very correct answer. Elias gave very correct answer. You give water and glass. Okay. Some more example. For example, one more example I will give cellophane sheet. Cellophane sheet is transparent. Okay, water glass is correct example. Then what about air? Air is transparent or not? What about air? Air is transparent or not? You wrote the example water glass, but air is very common example. Is it transparent or not? Is it transparent or not? Air is transparent. So all of you have a very correct answer. That is air glass. Now this glass, it is transparent, so I can see this CPU, this monitor. Air is transparent, I can see this. The glass sheet fixed in the window frame is transparent, so I can see the greenery outside. Okay, that is regarding transparent object which allows light to pass through it. Then the next one, that is, yes, water, glass, all these are. The next topic in this lesson included in grade 6. In this lesson, grade 6, the next topic is shadows. The next topic after transparent, translucent and opaque object, the next topic in your grade 6 is shadow. Now tell me when shadows are formed. When shadows are formed. Yes, write in your live chat when these shadows are formed. Yes, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. Now you joined, okay, no problem. When shadows are formed. When shadows are formed. When shadows are formed. Write in your live chat when shadows are formed. Yes, when shadows are formed. When shadows are formed. When shadows are formed. Very good. Elias has given very correct answer. When light is blocked. By which object? When light is blocked by opaque object. Very good. When light, all of you have given very correct answer. When opaque object blocks the light, shadow is formed. Sunil Yatharth Gidore has given answer. Then Elias has given answer. Anurag Venkatesh Deshmukh, when light is blocked. Okay. So whenever we will find, for example, I have a textbook in my hand. Now tell me whether this textbook is transparent, translucent or opaque object. Whether this textbook is transparent, translucent or opaque object. Tell me, write in the live chat whether this textbook is transparent, translucent or opaque object. Elias has given correct answer. Santosh has given correct answer. Yes, it is opaque object. Now, what is the source of light? Source of light is here, is tube light. Okay. And this, suppose this big board is a screen. Now if I keep this light is coming from source of light, tube light, it is blocked by this opaque object and shadow is formed on the green board. Okay, so green board is here, it is acting as a screen. So you told very correct that shadow is formed when the light is blocked by the opaque object. Okay, shadow is formed, shadow of an object is formed when light is blocked by that opaque object. When light is blocked by that, shadow is formed. Now, we will find that the shape of the shadow matches the shape of dash. Yes, shape of shadow dash, shape of dash, shape of dash. Yes, if there is a football, will you get the rectangular shadow? No, you get the shadow just which will, if there is a hand, fingers, you get the shadow, isn't it? Matching the opaque object. Yes, good afternoon, Vaishali Paipare. Good afternoon, beta. Ishan Paipare, good afternoon. Yes, fill in the blank. The shape of shadow, dash, shape of dash. Yes, it matches shape of object. Okay. Often it matches shape of object. Okay. Now the next one activity is there in your textbook, that is activity number 2, that we have to do at home regarding, yes, the shape of the, all of you are giving correct answer, shape of shadow matches shape of the object. Okay, then the next topic in your textbook is dash, dash and dash are required for formation of shadow. For formation of shadow. Yes, the answer. Dash, dash and dash are required for formation of shadow. What do we require for the formation of shadow? Yes, Santosh gave correct answer. Source of light, opaque object, and Santosh gave correct answer. Source of light, that is light. Then light and an opaque object. Okay, opaque object and dash are required for formation of shadow. All of you are giving correct answer. All of you are writing light and opaque object. The third, what is the third one? What is the third one? What is the third one? Okay, light is required. Suppose this is the source of light. Okay, this is the opaque object. Okay. Then one more thing is required. What is that? For the formation of the shadow. Yes, Jayant Bala has got correct answer. Jayan Vara has given correct answer. Not only source of light, not only the opaque object, but also screen. Here screen is there, then only the shadow of this ball will be formed here. This is the screen. This is opaque object. And this is source of light. Okay, these three things are required, then only shadows are formed. Now, if bird is flying, we can't see the shadow on the ground, isn't it? Because the screen is far away and their source of light is there, opaque object is there, but screen is not there, so we can't see the shadow there. Here we will find these three things are required. Suppose you go on the terrace and your friend is from bottom, he switched on the torch from bottom from your leg on your body. There is no screen for the formation of the shadow. Can you see the shadow? No. But if you are standing in front of the wall, your friend switched on the torch during night hours, then what will happen? The beam of light will be blocked by your body and your shadow will be formed on the wall. Isn't it? So screen is also very much required for the formation of shadow. Okay. Then after that the next topic is there in this lesson in grade 6, that is light travels in straight line. Light travels in straight line. What is this property called? In straight line. What is this property called? Write down in chat box. What is this property called? Write down in answer in chat box. Yes, Santosh, Shardul. Write down answer. What is this property called? Light travels in straight line. What is this property called? What is this property called? Light travels in straight line. What do we call this property? What is this property called? Yes, Santosh Shardul. Very good. Elias has given very correct answer. That is known as rectilinear propagation of light. Very good, beta. Very nice. Very nice. A first answer is given by Elias, then Shardul also gave answer. That is known as rectilinear propagation of light. What do we call that? Rectilinear propagation of light. All of you are here. Janvi gave correct answer. Santosh gave correct answer. Shardul gave correct answer. Elias gave correct answer. Narayan Pandey told yes sir, means he know. Very good beta. So this property of the light is called rectilinear propagation of light. Now, for that there is one very famous experiment. For that there is one very famous experiment. Okay. First take one straight tube. See the light through the straight tube. This is case number A. Then take the bent tube. See the light through bent tube. Okay, this is the case number 2, B. In which case you can see the light? In case number A, diagram A or diagram B? Give the answer. In which diagram? Diagram number A or diagram number B, we see the light. We see the light. Yes. Give the answer. Give the answer. Give the answer. What happened? Something happened. Lose correction. Give the answer. Very good. Janvi gave very correct answer. In diagram number 8, we can see the light. Santosh gave correct answer. Santosh told yes, sir. Venkatesh told A. Vasuki Budakutta told A. Very good. Jayant Bala told A. Janki Mandakar told A. That is B is bent. That's why we cannot see the light in the diagram B. Janki gave very correct reason. Here, Harsh told A. Narayan Pandey told A. Chaitanya Bayas told A, Abhishek Kumar Singh told A, Kavita Pajbhai told A, Shravani Mandavkar told A. Now Janvi has given answer also. In pipe B, the pipe is bent. That's why we cannot see light in diagram B. Here this pipe is bent. That's why we cannot see this light. Janvi gave very correct answer. We cannot see this light. Here we can see the light. Why here we can see the light? Because pipe is straight and light cannot bend. Okay, here it will come straight. You can see the light, but here light wants to go straight. So what will happen? It cannot bend. So here we cannot see the light. So this is the reason that we cannot see the light through bend. So light travels in a straight line. Okay, that is the reason. That is this experiment proves that light travels in a straight line. Okay. So I will stop here now. Now your maths period will be there. So tomorrow we will discuss. Tomorrow, please take pinhole camera. See, one thing is there. I already told you. We read the thing, we forget. We see the thing, we remember. We do the thing, we understand. This proverb is very correct. So just we are reading the things, seeing the things. Instead of reading and seeing the things, if you do the thing, it is very good. Why I am telling? Because now the next topic after this, there is pinhole camera. You read pinhole camera, you see the picture in YouTube. Lots of very good explanation is given in YouTube. Okay, so you listen it from the various good teachers. But if you do that, that is very important. If you do that, you will understand it properly. So with folded hands, I am telling you tomorrow pinhole camera is there and last topic is there about reflection and lateral inversion. Please make the model of pinhole camera because hundreds of times you read, hundreds of times you see very good video. Nowadays you know that even teacher is not there. YouTube is enough to explain each and every topic with wonderful three-dimensional pictures, isn't it? But the most important thing, if you do it, that is the correct education. So I am requesting you, instead of just reading and seeing and hearing and seeing from here and living from here, you do it, then it will be there in your mind. Tomorrow I want to see from your side the model of pinhole camera. Okay, and you just describe. I will draw here. You just tell me what is happening. If you do, you can tell me very easily. And tomorrow we will do pinhole camera and reflection from by plane mirror and lateral inversion. So thank you very much.